Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review from Nadula Hair. I've been working with them so much lately and all of the wigs have been fire. So these are the goodies that they sent over. This wig already looks amazing before I put it on my head. This is the 7x5 Bye Bye Knots wig. So the great thing about this is that the knots are invisible pretty much. If you look at the picture, you'll see a wig with normal knots versus the Bye Bye knots. It's obviously a clear difference. It looks so natural. So this is what the hair looks like. This hair has so much body straight out of the pack, which I love. I love me a wig that I can move around, not stiff or anything like that. To start on this wig, I'm just going to tint my lace. I'm using my Eden tinting spray. And then I'm just going to put the wig on. Pretty much it already has baby hairs on it, so I don't even have to worry about doing that. I'm just gonna like swoop it a little bit with my mousse. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack, you guys. It already looks really good, but of course I'm going to customize it a little bit to make it my own. Y'all know how I always do. I'm just creating some very light layers in the front. I just pulled out 2 small pieces in the front of my hair and I'm just cutting that down at an angle. I am not a professional. These scissors are definitely not professional scissors. I never can find like the ones I'm supposed to be using. So I'm just cutting it down at the angle, and it doesn't matter because I'm not cutting it too much. It doesn't have to be perfect. So even a beginner can do it. Now I'm going to lay the wig down. You do not have to lay the wig down. You can definitely wear it glueless, but I just wanted it to be nice and secure to my head. So I'm just spraying a little bit of my Even lace spray on it, and then I'm just blow drying it to make sure that everything is nice and dry. And then I am just going to swoop the baby hairs that already came on the wig. I'm just using my Nairobi mousse to swoop the baby hairs in place, and then I'm going to make sure everything is dry with my blow dryer, and I'm blow drying everything on cool. Now I'm using my hot comb to lay down the middle part of the wig to make sure everything is nice and flat, and then I am going to start by one curling. This is a body wave wig, so I want to keep the same curl pattern, so I am just going to use my one curler that gives me like the same body wave effect. I split my hair into 2, and then I'm just one curling it on both sides, going towards the back all over until I get to the top. Okay y'all, this is what the hair looks like when it's all one curled, and you guys will see, well, you've already saw in the beginning, but you'll see once I brush the hair out and everything, it has like these body wave curls. Okay y'all, this is the final look. This video was super easy to film because I really didn't have to do much to it. I love the Bye Bye knot wig because it just looks really natural, and the knots are already bleached, the hairline is already plucked, so you don't really have to do much. It's just a very effortless look. I'm pretty much just throwing on the wig and going. So I would definitely recommend this wig and any other wig from Nadula Hair. I will definitely have the links down below in the description. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring today's video.